Prime Minister of Manmohan Singh in 2007, the government of the India is aware of plight of higher education sector and has been trying to bring reforms. However, 15 bills are still awaiting discussion and approval in the parliament. One of the most talked about bill is foreign universities bill, which is supposed to facilitate entry of the foreign universities to establish campuses campus in India. The bill is still under discussion, and even if it is get passed, its feasibility and effectiveness is questionable as it messes the context, diversity, and segments of international foreign institutions interested in India. One of the approaches to make the internationalization of the Indian higher education effective is the develop of a coherent and comprehensive policy which aims at the infusion excellence, bringing institutional diversities and aids in the capacity building. Red collar two-floor historic college building. The American College in the Maduri started in the 1881 CE on the first five colleges in India to get autonomous status. Three Indian universities were listed in the Times Higher Education list of the world top 200 universities: Indian Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Management, Jawaharlal Nehru University in the 2005 and 2006. Six Indian Institute of Technology and the Birla Institute of Technology and Science Pilani were listed among the top 20 science and technology schools in Asia by Asia Week. The Indian School of Business is situated in Hyderabad was ranked number 12 in the global MBA ranking by the Financial Times of the London in 2010, while the All India Institute of Medical Sciences has been recognized as a global leader in medical research and the London in 2010. While the All India Institute of Medical Science has been recognized as a global leader in the medical research and treatment, the University of Mumbai was ranked 41 among the top 50 engineering schools of the world by American news broadcasting firm Business Insider. The 2012 was the only university in the list from the five emerging BRICS nations: vice Brazil, Russia, India, China, and the South Africa. It was ranked at 62 in the QS BRICS university ranking from 2013. Was India third best multidisciplinary university in the QS university ranking. The Indian universities after the University of the Kolkata and the Delhi University. Loyola College Chennai is one of the best ranked art of the science college in India with the UGC award for the college excellence tags. National Institute of Technology Trichypalli. From the first 5-year plan onward, India emphasizes was the first develop a pool scientifically inclined manpower. India national policy on education provision for an apex body for the regulation and development of higher education, in which came into being as the All India Council for the Technical Education in 1987, thought an act of Indian Parliament at the federal level. The Indian Institute of Technology, the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, the National Institute of Technology, and the Indian Institute of Information Technology are deemed of national importance. The Indian Institute of Technology and National Institute of Technology are among the nation's premier education facilities. Indian Institute of Technology, Rockeri. The UGC has inter-university centers at a number of locations throughout India to promote common research, e.g. the Nuclear Science Center at the Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Besides these are the British established colleges such as the Harcourt Butler Technological Institute situated in Kanpur, King George Medical University situated in the Lucknow, which are important center of higher education. Center universities such as the Banaras Hindu University, Jamia Millia Islam University, Delhi University, Mumbai University, and universities of the Kolkata, Jadavpur University, etc. too are pioneer and of the technical education in the country. In addition to the above institution, efforts toward the enhancement of the technical education are supplementary by a number of recognized professional engineer science such as the Institution of Engineering, Institution of Civil Engineering, Institution of Mechanical Engineering, Institution of Chemical Engineering, Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Indian Institute of Metals, Institution of Industrial Engineering, Institution of Town Planner, Indian Institutes of Architecture that conduct engineering technical education, engineering of at different levels for working professional designers of the improving their technical qualification. The number of graduates coming out of the technical college increased to over 7 lakh in 2011 from 5.5 lakh in the FY 2010. However, according to the our one study, 75% of technical graduates and more than 85% general graduates lack the skills needed in India most demanding and the higher growth global industries such as the information technology. These high tech global information technologies companies directly or indirectly employ about the 23 lakh people, less than 1% of the Indian labor pool. India offers one of the largest pool of technically skilled graduate in the world. Given the sheer number of the students seeking education in the engineering, science, and mathematics, India faces daunting challenges in the scaling up capacity while maintaining qualities.